Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody left me a message on one of my videos and they're just a little bit confused. And this is left click, right click, but a little bit further out or a little bit more information. This is your fill, this is your outline. This is your left, this is your right. So I draw all my graphics in red hairline with no fill. With that selected, I can go right click it and make it blue. But if I want to draw all the time in blue, I have nothing selected and I right click, comes up with this, and it's going to be okay. Then when I draw, it's going to be blue. The same thing applies if I have this square and I make it red, but I want it to fill in the red all the time. So with nothing selected, I'm going to left click, it's going to come up with a graphic. So now every time I draw, it's going to be a red fill. Now, one of the hardest things I kind of learned at first is how to get rid of that. Well, one, you can double click here, you can go to your F12 key and pick it and change it. But also right here is your no fill. So if you watch this, this is red fill. I'm going to left click on no fill and then say okay. And then when I grab my graphic, it'll be that. So I want it back to red outline in even a hairline. So I'm going to, with nothing selected, I'm going to right click and now it's going to be red. And that's what I like to draw in. And then a hairline. Now to change that, if that's something else, you're going to have to go to F12 and pick hairline and then say, okay. After you do all that, I would go up to tools and save as default. And then that way, it should be that way every time you start Corel up. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit understand, and thank you for watching.